Hello Leo, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for August the 13th to August the 15th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung di nyo po maabutan itong live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no po, no? Leo, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So simulan na natin. Virgo, ang nakikita ko kasi dito, parang sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na gusto ko pa siguro, no, itong past relationship ko. I wasn't fully moved on. Or this could be your person's emotion, no? You can switch the energies. I am reading the dynamic, no? So pwedeng ikaw ito, pwedeng ikaw yung nasa kabila, no? Basta may tao ditong feeling is hindi dapat kami naghiwalay, no? I'm still seeing myself na growing old with my person, with my ex, and I feel like that person is a person that is actually meant for me. I believe that we are destined for each other. So nakakita rin ako dito ng we're not done yet. I'm still hoping that we can be together one day, someday, no? What I am seeing in here is siguro may mga nasabi na gawa which truly breaks the other person's heart to a point wherein someone broke the person's trust. That probably badly hurt the person. Sabihin natin, kung merong mga mortal sins, nagawa ito nung taong sabihin natin gustong bumalik, no? Hindi ko sinasadya, hindi ko alam whether it is nasabi na pagkwentuhan na that is actually a mortal sin. What happened happened. So you betrayed my trust. I don't trust you anymore. I feel like I am being played, no? Ginawa mo akong tanga. For a few numbers of you, ipinasok itong taong ito sa third party situation. Whether it is may nangyayaring emotional or romantic, it doesn't matter to you, no? Leo, parang sa'yo, you already crossed the line and I cannot trust you anymore. Naku, ang dami natin pwedeng pero sinabihan ka naman na walang nangyari, hindi yun totoo. Pero kahit na, it's not an excuse. Anong feeling mo sa ating relasyon? Laro, no? So this person actually missing you. This person did this out of what? Under the influence of what? It could be recreational drugs, it could be alcohol, what have you, no? The devil card signifies vices. I think that for a few numbers of you, sabihin natin, sige, may nakuha itong third party sa person mo na dapat nasa iyo, no? Or dapat sa'yo lang. Pero naibigay, sinadya hindi, it doesn't matter. Ibinigay na ibigay, wag mong sabihin kahit lasing ka, no? Tumirik yan, nanigas yan, no? Or nagwater yan, ginawa, no? At that very moment in time, hindi mo ko naisip, 'di ba? With the Ace of Pentacles, the Chariot in here, siguro nagpakalayo-layo, whether it is through, sabihin nating location, or just the emotion per se, no? Nakita yung lamig. So parang sinusuyo ka ba nitong taong ito? Um, Actually, sinabi naman niya masaya ako sa'yo. Masaya ka ba? Talaga, kahit ako na yung sumasagot sa'yo, Leo, no? Masaya ka ba talaga? Eh, bakit ginawa mo? 'Di ba? Um, Kasi ayaw naman niya talaga ng una. Ayaw niya talaga nung una. Nagpakita ng motibo, nawala sa ulirat. Sabihin natin may nangyari, pero hindi na kinakausap. Pero iba pa rin kasi yung feeling ng pakiramdam mo na baboy ka, feeling mo ang dumi-dumi, no? Um, it may be a one-night stand for the person, pero yun sa'yo, nagawa mo na eh. Um, paano kita mabibigyan ng pagkakataon? Paano ko mabibigay yung trust ko sa'yo kasi basag na. Kumbaga, plato, no? Nabasag na. Buuin mo man yan, kitang-kita yung lamat, kitang-kita yung basag. I don't know how you're gonna go through this. I think that Leo actually needs healing. Kasi ang nakikita ko, sobra yung pain na nangyari, sobra yung sakit na naramdaman. There's actually a high expectations dito sa relationship pero wala na, sayang. I hope no na magkakaroon talaga ng proper healing. Dapat gawin kung ano yung dapat gawin nitong nakasakit, no, ng iyong person. Pero kahit sabihin, I think that this pain requires time, no? Requires time. So kung hindi magiging ah hindi magkakaroon ng, sabihin natin ditong, pagtitiyaga itong si person, no? I think that mahihirapan kang patawarin, Leo, no? Mahihirapan kang or nahihirapan kang patawarin itong person mo. I wish we could be together, but it's complicated. Why do we have to be apart? So, siguro may mga pagsisisi dito or sinisisi mismo ni person yung sarili niya. Why things happened. Ganun talaga, nasa huli ang pagsisisi, sabi nga ni Leo. No? Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Baka kapwa Leo ito. Pisces, Capricorn, Scorpio, Taurus, Sagittarius, Cancer, um, Scorpio, Virgo. Leo is very dominant. Aries is in here. Um, Pisces, Scorpio. Yeah, kompleto yung water placement. So this is your reading, Leo. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live session sa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. No? Pero kilala nyo po yung sarili niyo, Leo. So, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no, pumunta na po kayo dun sa description box, no? There is actually a link for my website. Click the link, you're gonna be routed to my website. Sa pinakababa po, no, i-browse nyo lang sa pinakababa, nandun po yung question form. Ibaba nyo pa, may mga designated QR codes po doon. Nandun po yung how much per question, the name, the number for your reference. I also created a box, no, or a QR code for a discounted price of 4 questions plus 1. Take advantage of it. If you want to book a personal reading or private reading, no, please check no those QR codes and follow the instructions. So, Leo, tuloy pa rin po ang ating manhunt. So, nandun po sa description box yung mga fake accounts na pwede nyong i-report. No? Once you reported it, take a screenshot, send it to the designated email, no? Para po makabunot tayo ng winner for a free reading once nagapin natin yan. Leo, kung hinahanap po ninyo itong readings about exes, nandun po siya sa Facebook para po hindi nagkakagulo dito, no? So, nilipat ko po siya sa Facebook. Ang Facebook account is Babaylan TV. This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.